Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent to me by C. Thank you very much, C. I'm going to respect his privacy on that. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Been saying this on most of my unboxings. We're about to hit 60,000 subscribers. And we have some awesome knives to give away once I say we, because I kind of include everybody watching as a part of this channel. I've got an awesome group of knives to give away once I hit 60,000 subscribers. So I would urge you, if you have not done so, to subscribe so you don't miss out when that day comes. Of course, that is your choice. But yeah, very excited about that. We have three knives in here. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. I do have a note. Awesome. Hey, MC, here are a few of the blank to check out. I really enjoy them as an office-friendly secondary knife. I usually throw them in the pocket, in the slip, with a small light and a pen. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Okay, and he's got everything listed there. Okay, so this is neat, this slip here. It's the little, it says Hitch and Timber, and he's got a flashlight in here. I think just giving me an example of how he carries his stuff. This is actually pretty legit. I know that these are available, so I will link these down below. We have, oh, nice mid-stop. Man, that's nice. Okay, so we have the Best Man. These are various LIONSTEEL Best Man knives. And just to unboxing and first impressions, not a review. I don't know anything about these. First time I've ever handled them. You guys will get the reviews down the road. All right, here's one with a couple of blades. Man, the mid-stop is, or is that what we call the mid-stop or the half-stop? It's great. Ooh, man, I like that. Is this titanium? I think it is. I think back here is steel, right? But then these are titanium bolsters. And then what do we have for the steel? M390. Oh, that's just great. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's get that out here. I'm really impressed with that half stop. I hate those newer slip joints with like a mushy, mid stop or half stop, however you say that. We've got this one. Oh, perhaps the most beautiful. Here we go. Oh man, that's excellent. That's excellent. It's really hard for me to like a slip joint unless it's done right. And, those of you who, like traditionals, you probably like Great Eastern Cutlery. And if you like Great Eastern Cutlery, then you'll know that their stuff is really hard to track down, especially the incredibly sought after number 15s, which I believe these are close to in size. So we have here the Best Man 2-blade in the olive wood. The Best Man round head, which is this guy in the ebony. And then we have the DLT exclusive micarta sheep's foot, which is this guy. So I will link all of these, if they are available, right down below. These are really, really cool. And I'm way more excited about these than I thought. These are some of the nicest slip joints. Gosh, I really like that one. That's really, really nice. Man, killer. Look at that. Ebony wood. Fit and finish is great. It's nice. Snap. Great centering. That's just fantastic. Oh, I love it. I don't have a lot of experience with slip joints, right? Your Tidouette? If I'm pronouncing it correctly, the Great Eastern Cutlery, that's about as much experience as I have, and it's very, very minimal. I can see why you like to carry them like this. I want to try. Kind of makes me want to get something like that. Oh, that's real. If I can link this, I will also link it. Yeah, that's real nice. I can see why you like to do that. Way more impressive than I thought. I knew for a while that I wanted to look at these. I don't know why I didn't think they would be so nice, but very cool. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, you can find these down in the description. Make sure you subscribe because 60 days coming. If you enjoy 60K subscribers is coming, make sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.